Hi everyone. Today I'll be explaining to you what a pivot table is and how to create one in Microsoft Excel on a Mac. So the first thing we need to understand is what exactly a pivot table is. Pivot tables are one of Excel's most powerful features as they allow you to extract the significance or meaning from a large detailed data set such as this one, and they help reorganize and summarize selected columns and rows of data to help answer a question or obtain a report. Let's take a look. So here we have a spreadsheet of data collected from customer surveys showing what their desired specifications are when buying an RV. If we take a look at customer number 1, we can see that this customer wants an RV with a minimum length of 18 feet and a maximum length of 26 feet. Since in the data analytics world, a 0 usually stands for no or false, and a 1 stands for yes or true, we can see that this customer doesn't want an awning, private bedroom, outdoor kitchen, or exterior storage space, but does in fact want a separate toilet or shower and a fold-down couch option. So now if we look at the RV data sheet down here, we can see data from different RV companies that list each of their specifications for their RVs that they manufacture. So given all this information, we can organize it into ways to see what are some of the trends that RV companies present when manufacturing their RVs. This is important because let's just say I'm someone who just started my own RV company and I want to join the market with a competitive edge. So by using pivot tables, I can see what the customers want compared to what the other companies actually have in stock. I can use this data to my advantage, so I make sure that I'm giving all the customers what they actually want or need. So, using this example, let's take a look at the average lengths of RVs from each manufacturer. So to do this, we'll create a pivot table. So you can just follow my cursor here, click the top left corner that selects all the data, hit Insert, click Pivot Table, click on the new worksheet, click OK. So that generates a pivot table on another worksheet. We're going to drag this over here. We're going to drag the manufacturer option down to rows, drag the length option down to values, and so that just displays all of the manufacturers and the count of lengths here. So we wanted to display the average length of each manufacturer. So we click on this little I right here, and then we hit average, click OK. So now we have the averages of all the lengths of each manufacturer. So we can now, I guess, rename this sheet just by double clicking there. We're going to name this pivot table. Hit enter. Okay, there we go. So now that we know some information about the manufacturers, let's now figure out what some of the trends are within the customer base. So let's see how many customers want an RV no shorter than 18 feet and also want a private bedroom and awning. So to do this, we're just going to use some basic sort and filter techniques and just click on the top right here, click filter. See these little arrows, we're going to click on the one by minimum length, and then we're going to choose greater than or equal to, type in 18, hit enter, exit out of there. So now we see every customer's desire to have an RV above 18 feet. And now we want to sort it by awnings, so we're just going to deselect the 0 option or the no option, and then click on private bedroom and deselect the 0 as well. And now we see all the customers that meet our requirements. So we can just count up all of the customers that want this option by typing in equals and count, open parentheses, and just drag all the customers that you see here, then close parentheses, hit enter, and we see that 47 people out of the 50 do want an RV greater than 18 feet long and also want an awning and a private bedroom. So just by doing some basic techniques, we can plan a course of action for my RV company and gain a competitive edge. Thanks for watching.